Welcome to our channel. In this video, discuss the financial management MCQ of cost of capital. Let's start. First, suppose that a firm has 20% debt and 80% equity in the capital structure. The cost of debt and cost of equity are assumed at 10% and 15% respectively. What is the overall of cost of capital? In this sum is equity and debt is a given. You have the multiplication capital structure and cost. You have get the overall of the cost of capital. The capital of equity %80 and debt is a 20%. And cost of equity is 0.50 and debt is a 0.10. You have the multiplication 80%, 80 multiplication 0.50 and 20 multiplication 0.10. You will get the 12 and 2. Overall of the cost of capital total is a 40%. The answer is option 4, 14%. Second, redeemable preference share of rupees 2 lakh are to be redeemable at par, for which the fresh equity share of rupees 80,000 are issued at a discount of 10%. What is the amount should be transferred to capital redemption reserve account? CRR, capital redemption reserve account, is equal to the formula type redemption preference share is a 2 lakh minus fresh equity share of 80,000 are issued at the 10% discount. 80,000 minus 10% 8,000. You saw the 72,000. 2 lakh minus 72,000. You will get the answer is a 1,28,000. Next solution. Third, which of the following is not implicit cost of increase the proportion of debt of the company? First, P ratio of the company would be increased. Second, rate of return company would be decreased. Third, tax will be available of new debt. Fourth, equity shareholder would be demand high return. The answer is a 4. Equity shareholder would be demand high return of the implicit cost of increased proportion debt of the company. Cost of equity share capital is more than cost of debt because first, equity shares are not easily sellable. Second, equity share don't provide the fixed dividend rate. Third, generally the face value of equity share is less than the face value of dividend share. Fourth, equity share have high risk than debt. The answer is a 4. Cost of equity share is a more than cost debt because the equity share have the high risk than debt. 6. Which of the source of finance has any implicit cost of capital? First, equity share capital. B, preference share capital. Third, debenture. Fourth, retained earning. The answer is a retained earning. Fourth. Next. 7. The current market price of the company's share is rupees 90 and the expected dividend per share next year is rupees 4.5. If the dividend is expected to grow at the constant rate of 8%, the shareholder required rate of return will be, you have to remember the formula. Rate of return will be shareholder, means shareholder is the equity shareholder, is equal to dividend per share divide net proceed multiplication 100 plus the growth rate. You will get the given in the next. The dividend per share is a given the 4.5 divide net present value is a company is a 19 multiplication 100. You will get the 5%. 5% plus growth rate is given the 8%. You will get the answer is a 430% is a shareholder required the rate of return is a 30% in the company. A company issued the 10% irredeemable preference share. The face value per share is 100, but the issue price of the 95. What is the cost of preference share? Same of the there is a you have the preference share formula is equal to interest divided net proceed value multiplication 100. This will be your face value per share is a 100. 10% irredeemable share is a interest is a 10%. Interest rate is a 10%. 100 multiplication 10% is a 10 divide net profit value is a issue of the price is 95 multiplication 100. You will get the answer is a 10.53% of cost of preference share. The answer is fourth. Nine. Assertion A. According to net income approach, capital structure decision is relevant in the valuation of firm. Recession. A firm can change its total value and its overall cost of capital by change in the degree of leverage in its capital structure. In this context, the given above the two statements, which one of the following option is correct? In this the statement is both is correct. The option is first, both A and R is correct, and R is right the explanation of A. Next. 10. Match the item of following two lists of suggested the correct code. List 1. Payback rate of return, internet rate of return, benefit cost of ratio, net terminal value of method. The second list of discounted cash flow technique, compounding value of investment and return, crude method of project evaluation, whale size project evaluation. The first of payback rate of return is a crude method of for the project evaluations. B. Internal rate of return is the discounted cash flow technique. See, benefit cost of ratio is the varying size of project evaluation. The net terminal value method is a compounding value of investment and returns. The answer is option. You will show the answer is a option second.